What we got here is the Poulan XT by AYP. 6-speed gear drive, 16.5 horsepower, 42-inch cut, Briggs & Stratton, 500cc industrial commercial engine. Unit is in mint condition. As you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate a startup. Go ahead and turn the fuel on, and no, there's no issues with the fuel system. That's for shutting the fuel off at the end of the season. It's on choke. I'm going to go ahead and crank it over. It's got an independent headlight switch over here. When you go to back up with the blades on, you put the key back one position and it is reverse position. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. The headlights on. Going to be for sale, $800. Thank you.